Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make this cute bow tie. It's really beginner friendly and easy to make. But before we jump in, a quick thing to mention. Over 90% of you watching aren't subscribed to my channel yet. If you end up enjoying this video, it'd mean a lot if you hit that button. Thank you, and now let's get into it. For this project, you need 2 balls of cotton yarn, 3.5mm crochet hook, scissors, and darning needle. Start with chaining 35. We work in the back loop of the chains. Starting from second chain from the hook, make a half double crochet. In every stitch you need to make a half double crochet until the end of the row. I'll meet you guys back again when you finish this row. Now turn your work and chain 2, and again, starting from very first stitch, make a half double crochet and continue making half double crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. And I will meet you guys back again when you finished the second row. Now again, turn your work, chain 2, and making half double crochet in each stitch until the end of the row, same as the previous row. Repeat row 2 for 2 more times, and I will meet you again when you finish row 4. Chain 1 and cut up your yarn. Please leave a long tail because we need it for shaping the bow. Sew the beginning and the end of this part together, like I showed you in the video. Now it's time to crochet border for this part. Bring your new color, make a slip knot, and attach it to the part that we have crocheted. Chain 1 and slip stitch into the next stitch. chain 1 and slip stitch into the next stitch, and again chain 1. Repeat this sequence until the end of the round, and I will meet you guys back again. Slip stitch into the first slip stitch that we made at the beginning of the round. Chain 1 and cut off your yarn. Now we need to repeat the same sequence for the bottom of this part, and I will meet you guys back again. For the next part of the bow, chain 25. This is the same pattern as the previous part, just half double crochet in each chain until the end of the row. I'll meet you guys back again when you finish this row. And then just chain 2, turn your work and half double crochet in each stitch again. And in total you need to have 3 rows for this part. I will meet you guys back again when you've finished 3 rows. Chain 1 and cut off your yarn. To make the border for this part as well, we make a slip knot. Attach it to the part and start a slip stitch and chain 1 all across the round. You need to do this all across the round, and I will meet you guys back again when you've finished the border. Slip stitch into the first slip stitch that we made at the beginning of the round. Chain 1 and cut off your yarn. Now just attach 2 parts together as I show you in the video, and make your bow tie ready. I'll show you every steps as I do, but if you have any question about any part of this tutorial, just tell me in the comments and I will explain it in more details for you guys. Now we're going to crochet a cover for the front of our bow. Chain 4. And starting from the second stitch from the hook, make half double crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. When you finish the row, just chain 1, turn your work, and again half double crochet in each stitch. Just repeat this sequence for 6 more rows until you have 8 rows in total. Now chain 1 and cut off your yarn, and please leave a long tail for sewing. Now we sew this part to the bow as I show you in the video. It's done now, but if you want to attach the bow to your bag as a charm, you can bring a wire and a keychain closure, any kind of keychain closure, and attach it to the bow as I show you. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed making this as much as I did. If you found it helpful or just had fun crocheting along, give it a like and consider subscribing to Valerie's for more cute and cozy crochet ideas. And if you tried this pattern, I'd love to see it. Feel free to tag me on Instagram or leave a comment. Until next time, happy crocheting!